Attention all job seekers and aspiring professionals. The SSC CPO SI final result for 2025 has just been announced, and it's a big deal. This is your chance to secure a position as a sub-inspector in the Delhi Police or CAPF. But here's where it gets controversial. The results are out, and you might be wondering how to access them and what they mean for your future. Let's dive in and explore the details together. The SSC CPO SI Final Result 2025, Unveiling the Opportunities. The Staff Selection Commission, SSC, has officially released the final results for the Sub-Inspector, SI, positions in Delhi Police and the Central Armed Police Forces, CAPF. This is a significant moment for candidates who have been eagerly awaiting their fate. The results are now available online, and you can check your status by following a few simple steps. How to access your SSC CPO SI result 2025. Visit the official website, ssc.gov.in. This is your go-to portal for all SSC-related information and updates. On the homepage, look for the SSC CPO SI Result 2025 link. It's usually prominently displayed to make it easy for candidates to find. Enter your roll number and date of birth to log in. These details are crucial for accessing your personal result. Once you've logged in, your SSC CPO SI result will appear on the screen. Take a moment to review it carefully. Download the result for future reference. It's always a good idea to have a copy handy, and this is the part most people miss. The SSC CPO SI recruitment process involves multiple stages, and the final result is just one step in the journey. Here's a quick breakdown of the entire process to give you a comprehensive understanding. Application and eligibility. Candidates had to apply online during the specified dates, paying a nominal fee unless they were exempt. The eligibility criteria included age limits, educational qualifications, and physical standards. Computer-based examination, Paper I. This was the first hurdle, held over 3 days in June 2024. Candidates had to clear this exam to proceed further. Physical Efficiency Test, PET, and Physical Standard Test, PST. These tests were conducted from October 14 to 25, 2024, to assess the physical capabilities of the candidates. Paper 2, Descriptive Paper. Successful candidates from the Peru Time/Pacific Standard Time then took this exam on March 8, 2025. Final result. The SSC has now declared the final result, which determines the successful candidates who will be joining the Delhi Police or CAPF. A quick recap of the important dates. Online application start date, March 4, 2024. Online application last date, March 28, 2024. Exam date, June 27 to 29, 2024. Peru Time/Pacific Standard Time dates, October 14 to 25, 2024. Paper 2 exam date, March 8, 2025. Final result date, October 20th, 2025. Eligibility criteria. Age limit. Candidates must have been born between August 2nd, 1999 and August 1st, 2004 to be eligible. Educational qualification. Any degree is required. Physical standards. Detailed physical standards and endurance tests are outlined in the official notification. Vacancy details. Sub-Inspector, EXE. In Delhi Police, male, 125 posts. Sub-Inspector, EXE. In Delhi Police, female, 61 posts. Sub-Inspector, GD. In CAFs, 5,122 posts. Now, here's the controversial part. The physical standards and endurance tests for male and female candidates differ significantly. While male candidates are required to meet specific height, chest, and physical endurance criteria, female candidates have different standards. This has sparked debates about gender equality and the fairness of these requirements. What are your thoughts on this? Should physical standards be the same for all, or should they be tailored to individual capabilities? Conclusion. The SSC CPO SI Final Result 2025 is a significant milestone for candidates who have been working towards this goal. It's a chance to celebrate success and plan for the future. Remember to download and save your result for future reference. Good luck to all the successful candidates, and we hope this information has been helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.